The fourth test between Australia and England is currently about to get underway on Boxing Day. Australia have already secured the Ashes, and England are potentially looking to ensure that they do not suffer a final whitewash. What will come true about it, that we do not know. But Australia have already announced their Melbourne squad when you look at it, and it is going to be an all pace attack. The probable 11 from the Melbourne Test match suggests that yes, there will be 7 of grass on the Melbourne wicket, and that is why there will be pace and movement. And on day 1, because it's going to be cloudy, and day 5 there is some rain expected and cloudy conditions, you will see plenty of seam movement as well. The weather conditions barring one day are going to be very okay. It will be coolish in Melbourne at this point, and that is why Australia have gone in for an all pace attack. I mean, look at it. It will be Mitchell Starc, Michael Neser, Jai Richardson, Scott Boland and Brendan Doggett. These are your 5 pacers that might play in that Boxing Day test match that's going to take place. Because remember one thing, there is no spinner. Nathan Lyon has been ruled out of the whole series because of the hamstring tear that he suffered. So he's on the sidelines for about 4-5 months. Todd Murphy was picked in the squad, but then he was not picked in the probable 11s that is there. And that is why a 5-pace attack is going to be there in Melbourne. 7 millimeters of grass, maybe it could come down to 6 or 5 millimeters towards the end of the day today. And that is why whoever wins the toss will have a big advantage in Melbourne. And remember, last couple of games have been pretty spicy in Melbourne as far as the bowling is concerned. You've had consistent seam and swing at all times. But yes, if you get in, then you can reap the rewards. So that is why Australia have gone in for an all-out pace attack. Do you think it is ideal that in Australia go for an all-out pace attack and there is no variety in the side? Or do you think they should have included a spinner? You can write to us in the comments below. Thank you so much, folks, for joining us for this video. Subscribe to Sports Today for all the latest news and analysis.